In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you the fastest and most effective solutions to get your start menu working again, whether your start menu won't open, freezes, or isn't responding. These proven methods will help you solve the problem quickly. Solution 1. Restart Windows Explorer. For this, press Windows plus R from keyboard and type Task MGR and press Enter. This will open Task Manager. Under Process tab, search for Windows Explorer. Then right-click on it and select Restart. As Start Menu is managed by Windows Explorer, so restarting it might solve the problem. Now try pressing Start Menu. If not working, then try Next Solution, where we restart some Start Menu process. For this, again open Task Manager as shown here. Next, go to Details tab on the left pane. Then in the search field, search for Start Menu Experience Host. Then right-click on it and then click on End Task. Then this process will auto-restart. If this process hangs or crashes, you may experience the start menu not opening or responding slowly. Restarting it should resolve the issue. If these two solutions does not work for you, then you can try re-register Start Menu. For this, open Task Manager as shown here. There, click on Run New Task. There, type PowerShell and then check in Admin box. Next, click on OK. Now copy and paste this script in PowerShell. I will provide it in description. This command re-registers the Start Menu component for all users on the system. It is commonly used to fix a broken or non-working Start Menu in Windows 10 or 11. If that does not work, then you can try creating new user profile, and this should definitely solve your problem. For this, press Windows plus R to open Run dialog box. There, type netplus and press Enter. There, click on Add to add new user profile. Then click on Next and then restart your computer and then log in with same user profile, and you should be able to click on Start Menu and fix Start Menu not responding issue.